Yes, gang, it's right. That's right. It's Poppy's other workshop.
Hey gang, Puppy here. As you can see, I'm still recording by the light that comes in through the computer room window. It's 5:30 p.m. February 24th, right? 24th? Yeah, February 24th, 2023. We're right in the middle of the great California blizzard of 23. Our electricity's been off since midnight 30. It's cold. We can cook because we got a camping stove that burns butane. We have Mr. Heater, although Mr. Heater runs through the fuel really fast. So, you know. Plus, running Mr. Heater indoors, you have two big risks: house burn down or people suffocate. So you have to have someone watching Mr. Heater all the time he's lit. It's long johns. Throw an extra quilt on top of your bed. If you have a dog, pull it in under the covers with you. If you got 2 dogs, great. 3, hey, you've heard of a 3-dog night? That's when it's so cold you get 3 dogs in bed with you just to stay warm. Hey, I took some shots just a couple minutes ago. Anyway, I took a couple shots, the snow slowly going away. I can put them on the end of this video right here. Anyway, good night from California. Try and stay warm.